Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hubli location. It is from Karnataka. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available for Node.js developer in Accelerator. And coming to the job requirements, like the candidates should have at least 3 years of experience working on Node.js and experience with Node.js frameworks and experience with unit testing and front-end JavaScript frameworks and RESTful web services and relational and graph databases and distributed source control systems and write well-designed testable efficient code and a passion and curiosity for creating and building things. CA or CD experience is a big plus. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for team lead in C3 Solution BPO India Private Limited. And coming to the job details, like ability to work on outcome based metrics, measures target achieved, skills required and behavior at work, and zero level non-conformity with client, and 2 years of team handling experience, of which 1 to 2 years in a call center, and fluency in English, clear accent and telephone etiquettes and good listening skills. These are some skills required and requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for operations manager in RankWatch Inc. And if you see the responsibilities, like duties include sales, enrollments, record keeping and day-to-day running of the center, ensuring adherence to rules, policies and procedures. These are some responsibilities. And coming to the skills required for the desired candidate, like the candidates should have experience with independent center management and customer management is required. And the candidates should have basic IT skills and an excellent command over written and spoken English, and it is must. And for this job duty, like timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for team leader in NVK's Infotech. And if you see the experience required for the desired candidates, like 1 year plus experience is required, and the education will be any degree is preferred, and team leader experience certificate is compulsory, and good communication skills are required for the desired candidate. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Business Development Associate in CarbonCraft. And if you see the qualifications required, like the candidates should have master's degree or equivalent experience and in entry level to mid level and strong communicational and interpersonal skills, proven knowledge and execution of successful development strategies, and focused and goal oriented. These are some qualifications required for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for application tester in Vacom Solutions. And coming to the job responsibilities, like develop a full understanding the product workflow, collaborate closely with technical team members to solve the client requirements or study the feasibility, and from future requirements analyze possible users stories or use cases for ascertaining the feasibility and preparing acceptance criteria or necessary steps for verification and validations, and preparation of test cases and scenarios. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for materials scientist in CarbonCraft, and if you see the roles and responsibilities for this job role, The candidates should conduct a research and experiment, prepare and monitor POC and scaling possibilities, perform literature reviews and collect and analyze data, provide ready access to all experimental data, and request or acquire equipment or supplies necessary for the project, and summarize project results. These are some roles and responsibilities. And if you see the qualifications for the desired candidate, the candidates should have bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, entry level or mid level, and strong communication and interpersonal skills. And the candidates should have proven knowledge and execution of successful development strategies. And the candidate should be focused and goal oriented. These are some qualifications for this desired candidates. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Muthoot FinCorp Limited. They are looking for responsible for effective management of OPEX and CAPEX. And if you see the job responsibilities, ensure cost-effective fund management among branches within the region, and the candidates are responsible for effective management of OPEX and CAPEX, and timely follow-up for legal cases and disputes within the region, and opening of new branches as per the potential of the region. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for application developer, and it is from WebDreams. And if you see the job responsibilities, write well-designed, testable, efficient code by using best software development practices, create website layout or user interface by using standard HTML or CSS practices, and write PHP code with Code Igniter framework. And some more responsibilities are also provided here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.